Hello everyone. In this video we are going to read about the high courts, and the articles that are related to high courts are from 214 to 231. So last video నేను Supreme Court గురించి చెప్పాను. So if you have not watched it yet, so you can go and watch it. Okay na? So article 124 to 147 are related to Supreme Court. అదే హై కోర్ట్ అయితే మీరు మేజర్గా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది 214 to 231. ఓకేనా? సో ఈ లిమిట్ అనేది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఒకవేళ if an option is given in between these limit, so you can easily put an option. ఒకవేళ కాకపోయినా by a little tricks you can manage it. So let me explain you some of the facts that are related to the high courts. So first, established in 3 presidency cities, Calcutta, Bombay and Madras in 1862. High Court of Delhi in 1966. Okay na? Next, Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram and Arunachal, they all have a same high court at Guwahati. Punjab, Haryana both share a single high court at Chandigarh, and AP and Telangana separate high court from 1 January 2019. Okay na? So for a judge of an high court, he can work up to 62 years. అదే సుప్రీం కోర్ట్ అయితే up to 65 years. నెక్స్ట్, he can resign by writing to a president. రెసిగ్నేషన్ లెటర్ అనేది ప్రెసిడెంట్కి ఇవ్వాలి. ఓత్ అనేది బిఫోర్ గవర్నర్. ఓకేనా? ఓత్ అనేది బిఫోర్ గవర్నర్. అండ్ రిమూవల్ ప్రాసెస్ ఈజ్ యాజ్ సేమ్ యాజ్ ద సుప్రీం కోర్ట్ జడ్జ్. సో లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో నేను చెప్పాను, రిమూవల్ ప్రాసెస్ క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. సో he must be 10 years as an advocate of high court and 10 years holding a judicial office. Okay na? Salaries are from consolidated fund of state. Pensions are from consolidated fund of India, and these are determined by the parliament. So ఒకవేళ వర్క్ లోడ్ ఉండి అడిషనల్ జడ్జెస్ని అపాయింట్ చేయాలంటే ప్రెసిడెంట్ కెన్ అపాయింట్ ది అడిషనల్ జడ్జెస్ బై కన్సల్టింగ్ విత్ సిజే ఆఫ్ హైకోర్ట్. ఓకేనా? సో ఫస్ట్ ఫీమేల్ హైకోర్ట్ జడ్జ్ ఎవరంటే జస్టిస్ అన్నా చాండీ ఆఫ్ కేరళ. First female Chief Justice of High Court is Justice Leela Seth of Himachal Pradesh, and present total number of High Courts in India are 25. So these are some of the facts relating to High Court. So now let me explain you some of the articles related to the High Court. So 214 nunchi 231. So these are the articles that are related. So 214 is establishment of High Court. 215 is High Court to be a court of record. Constitution of High Court is mentioned in the article 216. Appointment and condition of judges are mentioned in 217. Application of certain provisions are mentioned in 218. Oath and affirmation before governor is mentioned in article 219. And article 220 tells about the restriction of practice after removal. Okay, judge రిటైర్డ్ అయిన తర్వాత కానీ రిమూవ్ అయిన తర్వాత కానీ he must not practice. ఓకేనా? he is restricted to practice after removal. So article 221 is related to the salaries and allowances. 222 is related to transfer of judges, and appointment of acting chief justice and additional and acting judges are related to article 223 and 24. And article 225 mentions the jurisdiction of high court. So power of high court to issue writs is mentioned in 226. Writs means a written directive form of a court to someone to do something or not to do something. Okay na? A court can judge someone to do something or not to do something because it has a power to do so. Okay na? ఏదైనా కేసు జరిగేటప్పుడు కేసు రిలేటెడ్ ఇష్యూస్ ఏదైనా ఉంటే, ఒకవేళ హైకోర్టు కానివ్వండి సుప్రీం కోర్ట్ కానివ్వండి ఏదైనా ఇష్యూస్ ఏదైనా ఆర్డర్స్ పాస్ చేస్తే we must have to follow it. ఓకేనా? సో a written directive form of a court to someone to do something or not to do something is called writ. Next, superintendence over subordinate court is mentioned in 227. So transfer of certain cases to high court is related to 228. Officers and servants of high courts by CJI of H is related to 289. So extension of jurisdiction is related to 230. Common high court for 2 or more state is mentioned in article 231, and transfer of cases to federal court is mentioned in 232. So these are some of the tricks that I have followed. HCCR, these are some of the abbreviations of this only. Restrictions means rest, salary, rest, salary transfer. ఇలా మీరు కూడా ఏదైనా ట్రిక్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఓకేనా. సో hope you like the video. If you like the video, click on the like button and share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.